Okay, guys, I just hope everyone can hear us. Can you guys hear me on this? Yeah, let's see what's happening, guys. I hope everyone can hear me on this side. So if you guys can hear me properly, then make sure to leave a comment. You understand? Make sure to leave a comment so that I'll actually see if you guys cannot see anything or you guys can see anything. You understand? Let me share the screen. So let's see what's happening. So I just wanna reanalyze this one, use DT because it's the one that I'm gonna enter actually. Yeah, actually it's the one that I feel comfortable entering now at 15:30. Remember New York sessions is going to actually move around half past. Understand? That's when the volatility comes. Understand? So what I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do this here. So guys, please leave a comment if you guys can see everything. Just let me know in the comment if you guys can see anything, everything. Because if you guys can see everything there, then it's going to be a problem. Understand? Can you guys see everything proper there? Okay, let me just analyze and see what's happening because I'll be entering this one. So yeah, can this one? Let's check what's happening. Let's check. Let's check. Um, here, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna mark this point as my highest point. You understand? Then from there, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna obviously do it. I'm gonna obviously come for this point here because I feel like this point. Okay, let me just go for this one because I feel like this point here. It's actually my current lowest point. Now I understand that what is happening on this point is that okay, the market is actually above this certain point. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just get a structure. I'm gonna try to be the time is not on one side, you understand? So this one here again. So what is happening here is that I'm going to mark places when the market touches the market prices, you understand? Of which I call them zones, you understand? So I'm going to mark those places, man. Okay, that point and this point, I feel like it's a strong point. Guess everyone can see the strong point that I've actually highlighted there. And this one. The reason why I took this one is because here when the market touches the market reversed, you understand? Yeah. Um then from there what I like to do, I would like to actually remember the bigger the time, the stronger the movement you're gonna get on those type of places that you usually understand. So yeah. So what is happening is that I'm gonna move to my 1 day time frame. Okay, let's continue. Guys, please let me know in the comment if you guys can actually see anything proper here. Or the sound, you understand? So what is happening is that I'm just gonna quickly identify this point perfectly because I understand that this point is going to be the point that actually that will determine my direction for now for new exercise. This is a strong zone and market is above that certain zone, then I'll get to understand that the market is going to give me the bigger movement. You understand? So and the chances of the market pushing to the top side, you understand? So looking at this point, man, I feel like here I have something that I can say the market has given on it and actually retested, you understand, on it. You understand? Do here I'm just gonna highlight perfectly so understand that this is what I wanted, you understand? What I actually see here is that I see an inverse head and shoulder. And when I see this type of a pattern. Remember, inverse head and shoulders. It's actually a pattern, and when you tend to see that type of a pattern on the bigger time frame, like 4 hour time frame, you'll get to see the market actually respecting it proper. You understand? So this is my inverse head and shoulder. This is my inverse head and shoulder. Yeah. Okay, guys. I feel like I okay. My head has to be here. This is my left shoulder, and this is my head here. And because of the market respecting the type of um the type of inverse head and shoulder. You understand? So yeah. So from there, what I'll definitely do is that I'll definitely move to my 1 day time frame. So on my 1 day time frame, what I see is that I see the market risk actually retesting on this point. So meaning on this one, I'm just going to push stop. You understand? So here for me, I'm going to be comfortable with my buying opportunities strictly on USDT. I'm going to push with it to the top. So this one I'll be entering at 50. I mean at 29. Yeah. So I guess everyone can see what is happening here. Let's switch to 15 and see. Okay, the market has started pushing to the top. The market already started pushing to the top. of which is something good. But for me, I strictly at 29. Honestly. Me, I'm going to enter this strictly 29. So I guess everyone can see what is happening here. Yeah. So I have to let me just this thing. Yeah. So what is happening is that this is US30. So for me on US30, man, I'll just have to push with it to the top based on on my setup. I'm still on buying opportunities. Yeah. Okay, let's check the stack. Yeah, this one is proper, I think. For me, it's proper. Guys, remember you should subscribe to this channel. Remember, we're still on the road to 300 subscribers. We left with 5 people to subscribe, so we can at least reach 300 subscribers. You understand? So let's jump to Nasdaq, and also make sure to like all our videos. You understand? And watch all our videos. You understand? So yeah. So on this one also, guys, I just there and there, but what I hear, the market definitely respected everything. You understand? For me, Nasdaq also, I'll just see buys. Let me check. Yeah. Also, this one, man, I'm just seeing buys as well. So let me just remove this. Also, this one here, it giving us a investor in shoulder, and it's actually respecting also on investor in shoulder. So yeah, this one definitely has to push it to, because now it retested strictly on this point, and it created here. Remember, it once created a, when the market was below, it was a strong resistance level, but now the market is above, so it becomes our strong support. Understand? So this point here, this is the point that we're gonna be looking for more buying opportunities, because now looking at this point, it becomes our strong point. You understand? This point here becomes our strong support, because the market is above currently. I hope everyone can see what is happening here. I just hope everyone can see what is happening here. If I get it again. Shout out. Shout out, shout out, shout out. Let's go. Let's push, my G. Let's push. Nasdaq also, I'm looking for more buying opportunities now at half past. You understand? So yeah, for me, I'm just gonna look for more buying opportunities. At least if we can reach to this point, if it, at least if we can push until this point, then I'm gonna be perfect enough with it. Brother man, can you please do a series on going, growing a live account like 200, 500 realistic amounts? Shout out my G. Yeah, yeah. Let's subscribe to this channel. Let's reach at least 300 subscribers. Then definitely the challenge is gonna be there. Understand? It's gonna be interesting challenge. You guys will definitely see how I flip those accounts. Understand? Because if I show you guys the accounts that I flip, you guys will definitely think I'm playing. So I'll be recording everything live. You understand? So yeah, you guys will definitely see how I do it. You understand? So let's share the channel. Let's reach 300 subscribers. We almost only 5 people left for the challenge to start, because once 5 people subscribe to this channel, then definitely we'll be sitting on 300 subscribers. Understand? So let's grow this account also. So you definitely get the challenge, and it's going to be an interesting challenge. You understand? You guys will see, man. We can even grow under trend. You understand? So yeah, 300 subs we in. Shout out my G, 300 subs we in. Yeah, guys, let's keep on subscribing, sharing this channel. You understand? Remember, we are on. We are not in a race with anyone. We just it's just a matter of consistency. You understand? So let's try to grow this account also. You understand? So yeah. Any question, guys? You can ask questions since we're waiting for new openings. So you can ask questions. And again, guys, make sure to subscribe to our uh Strictly Session group. Make sure to join our Strictly Session group, guys. I'm telling you guys, that group is too much. So that group is too much. That group is too much, guys. It's too much. It's too much. Too much. Too much. Yeah. So here we are still on it. This is USDT. On this one, I'm looking for more buying opportunities. Also on this one, I feel like I'm still looking for more buying opportunities, but I'm just gonna take the one that is promising. You can have like the good setup in both of them, but the one that you should you definitely need to enter one. Yes, and so let's take the one that is promising. So to see the one that is promising, what you need to do, you need to check both of them. You understand? So you need to check for me here, what I'll definitely push to bigger time frame and see which one is actually uh near our strong zone. So remember, there's our strong zone here. So I'm just gonna tick the one that is promising. So let's check this one. So I feel like USDT is the one that promising for me. Yeah, USDT is the one that promising, because looking at where the market is, the market actually came back from retesting from that certain point. So for me, what's more promising is this one. Yeah, this one definitely I'm going for this one. Okay, let me adjust this thing. Yeah, yeah, guys, me, I'm pushing with this one. USDT. Yeah, USDT is promising. For me, it's promising. It's definitely promising. Yeah, any questions, guys? Any questions? You can ask questions. You can ask questions. Guys, remember the broker that we're using. Make sure to click the link on the description of this live to actually uh register with the broker that I recommend you guys also to use. Understand? It's the broker that we are using. You understand? So yeah. Guys, me, I'm pushing with USDT. If it fails, guys, if it fails to respect, then we'll understand that okay, it literally took us out. But for now, until it takes us out, we are going with it to the top. You understand? We're pushing with it to the top. So yeah, that's how long have you held a trade for? Ash. Okay, this one. Hey guys, on me it depends because me I'm a scalper man. So I'll just I'll just margin call. Then once it takes out that momentum, I'm out. Cause sometimes ish, yes I could hold the trades, but nah, me I don't like holding margin. Once it takes out the momentum, I'm out. Cause now what is happening, I don't know why these days, but now the market tends to actually reverse, and it's, you understand, that's when you tend to see like that big profits, the next thing is not there. So me, what I see man, I take it, what I see I take it. So yeah, and for screenshots, you just, when you see profits you are out, you understand. So yeah, and again guys, if you want to join us on NFP, make sure to DM me using the link on the description of this live. If you wanna join us live trading, um, okay, let's see, wait, 27. Let's switch to 4 hour and see where the market is. Okay, the market's straight on the strong, so that strong zone straight. Okay, let me check. Yeah, for me, it's still above the strong zone. Okay, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Okay, so guys, until it gives us those movements, but me, guys, I'm pushing up with it no matter if it keeps on dropping, then it's just a story for another day. So yeah, so let's just relax with it. So it's 28. I hear they're taking people out here. Here they're taking people out here. Okay, let it play around. Okay, also here, I feel like they're still taking people out. 29. Okay, me, I'm gonna be entering my trades. Yeah, this one we pushing to the top. Usage. So guys, me, let me just go for my usage, man. Let's see, usage. Okay, so once it, if it takes us out, man, then we'll understand that it took us out. Okay, 15 minutes. Okay, me, I'm going for usage, man. Let me enter my usage. Okay, taking people out here, man. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me go for it. I feel like it's that time for it to reverse. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, guys, my entries are here. My entries are here because I feel like now they've taken people out, but let's check. Yeah, yeah, my interest definitely here where the market is currently on USDT. So be patient with it to move. So if it fails to move, my entry is definitely here. So let's see. So if it breaks below this point, then that's when I'll definitely say they've taken us out because I understand that okay, this is a breakout and retest. So for me, I'ma just relax with it and push up with it. Let's check Nasdaq in the time. Okay, feel like it's failing to actually respect that certain point. Yeah, it's failing. It's literally failing, but let's see. Sometimes it could just reverse to actually grab the momentum. Understand? So I told you guys that on this one you just have to sweat first. Just have to sweat first. Okay, let's check Nasdaq and see what is happening. Okay, Nasdaq is still on the same point. Yeah, which means did not perform at, at all. So still on the same point. Okay, you stay then. Okay. Yeah, me, I'm still inside on USDT. So if it does its own movements, then because now I'm running in a loss, understand? So it happens like that. So yeah, that's how it goes. That's how it goes. Here's not nice, man. Don't think when we are here analyzing this thing it is now. Let's check. Okay, let's focus on the what on the same points. Ah, like it literally break this point now. I feel like it is giving us a breakout on this point now, and this is a strong point. Okay, me, I'm just gonna be patient with it. I'm just gonna be patient with it because I believe if we keep on tracking it like that, it's gonna abuse us like hell. Okay, let's. I didn't enter on NAS. I just entered on USDT, so I'm just gonna be patient with those ones. Understand? Okay. Let's be patient with them to move. Let's keep them open. Yeah, let's just keep them open to move the way they want to move. Because now I feel like they're disrespecting the strong zones, and if they keep on disrespecting the strong zones, we can see this could be some back move here. And so here, so if it fails again here, then meaning yeah, it failed literally. You understand? It failed to actually respect. You understand? Those are some of the things that you need to understand that it happens. You understand? So looking at this point here, the momentum, you can see the momentum moving the market to the below side is too high. So if we try to actually play with us, so don't come here and think we We only taking wins only. We also encounter some losses, you understand? So yeah, we're not controlling this thing, man. So yeah, for me it took me out here. Probably took me out. So it first they put back here. Literally pushed to the below side. You understand? So yeah. Me guys, I like to have like reasons why I take buying opportunities there. Like each and every trade that I take, I have reasons, you understand? So if you don't have reason why you take, then that's when you're gonna have problems. So yeah. I Let's just for it to come back, man. So for me it literally took me out, bro. Like yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this one USDT literally failed. Bro. Like this check Nasdaq. Oh, Nasdaq also failed. Like today's new, but I don't feel like I'm the one. Yo, they all fail to respect the strong zone, the correction side here. Okay, it happens, man. It happens as long as our wins are more than our losses. So that's it, man. So this is my gold for today. Let's check. Nah, even gold after it's moving way too slow because on gold my entry point it's actually here. So yeah, it happens, much. Yeah, guys, you can ask questions if you wanna ask questions. You can ask questions. I'll definitely answer on the live. Yeah, Nasdaq and USDT they failed, bro. Like they failed. But you know that thing that they can just start moving respected now because they've taken us out. Because hey, that one was a trap, me. Those strong zones. Yeah, guys, you can ask questions. Okay, if you guys don't have questions, then I'm out. Make sure to trade with the best. 325. The link is on the description of this live, guys. And also for free snack group, the link is still on the description of this live. And yeah. Okay, guys, me, I'm signing out, guys. Yeah. Yes, the Nasdaq today they have actually abused us a lot, so we just need to relax with that one and let it play out, man. Let them play out. Let them play. Understand? Definitely we're going to catch them somewhere. I understand that our overall setup is bad. Let's just wait for it to come back above, please. Understand? Because now what I believe is that they definitely took us out, and that's the story for another day. So yeah. So yeah, guys. Until next time, big man. Shout out, my G. Shout out, shout out, shout out, shout out, shout out, shout out. You understand? You need to be there for losses, but also so that you will be there for wins. Remember, guys. Hey, guys, me, I'm not a motivational what. So if when you see losses and you think you own this, you actually, I don't know, those mindset that you have, because most of people what uh I've come across, when they see losses, they are trying to actually run away from losses. You can't run away from losses, man. What builds wins is the losses. So yeah, you need to take losses in order for you guys to win. As long as when you win, you towel, you understand, you come back strong, you understand. So yeah, and me, I actually I sometimes I get like that big motive when I take losses. Reason being is because um I tend to learn a lot from my losses, you understand? So what I've learned, or what I can tell you about this today's session, what I've learned about this session is that okay, um, the market actually did what the market actually what can I say on this one? I feel like for me, I had so many traps on the setup of this one. I had so many traps. So what I've learned about this thing is that okay, the market did what the market actually respected the overall of a head and shoulder, meaning what I see here when I switch to my 1 hour time frame. Let me show you something on my 1 hour time frame. So remember, this is a inverse head and shoulder name. So on this inverse head and shoulder, I feel like the market actually came here. If it start pushing to the top from you can see that big momentum of the candlestick pushing to the below side. So it pushed to the top certain point and leave the shadow like that. I'll get to understand that okay, today there was not a day, meaning the market literally was out with the false breakout. You can see that point there. You understand where the market is. So yeah guys, meet you guys to next time. So me you guys, I'm signing out. So thank you guys for watching this live. I'm into the person of Nas, Faith, Nasdaq. Shut up.